So we're going to be swapping out the handles on a Hobie Mirage or Island series, and we're going to be replacing them with our SSEV upgraded endurance handles. So as you can see, this is pretty much stock here. We're going to need to pop off the Hobie emblem sticker, and then under that we're going to use this 1/8 of an inch hex key and take out a fastener. So let's pop this off. So you can see it's just a full back adhesive lined. We can use our hex key. Make sure that it's seated down in there. You don't want to strip this guy out. It is fairly stiff depending on, you know, how much corrosion you have from salt. You want to go ahead and pull this fastener completely out and place it somewhere safe. Now we can just pop off the existing handle. If you wiggle it back and forth a little bit, you should be able to get her to let loose. And if you are struggling, you can use a plastic pry tool, such as right here. Really helps to reach in there and pop that guy off. So you can see there's a little bit of corrosion from, I mean, even though this is stainless steel, there's still opportunities for it to corrode. So what we're going to do is take our new handle. You can see that there's a cross brace in the bottom of this. It needs to line up with the existing pin. So we want to push that down on there, make sure it's lined up, and just give it a good press on there. Once you get it going like that, and you'll put your fastener on it, push it down into the little pocket, and it'll start taking. Just tighten her up. Again, making sure that your driver is pressed firmly into this fastener head so that you don't run the risk of stripping it out. So once you get her nice and snug here, you can, if you want to reuse your cool Hobie sticker, you can do that. And it'll fit right in there, like so. And that is the full installation of the SSEV endurance handles onto the Hobie Mirage or Island series.